Hi, my name is Mike Hartington, Director of DevRel at Nx. We do a lot of stuff with monorepo. I'm going to talk about TypeScript at Frontend Nation. Come on and join us, and hope you join my session. You're going to learn a lot of cool stuff about TypeScript. I think the thing that motivated me to adopt TypeScript was just the tooling and in-editor like IntelliSense. The fact that I could catch a lot of just like very common errors right at the start before even hitting save. I could realize, oh, that's undefined. I could catch that before I even run in the browser. Really, really compelling to just help me get something created faster without running into common bugs that would trip up anybody. TypeScript's changed the way I write JavaScript because I'm a lot more conscious about the types of data that I'm passing around my programs. I'm a little bit more aware of how things should be passed around, various objects or strings, like have a little bit more sense of what you're doing, what you're passing around, and refactor when you're like, oh, I'm going to pass a whole object. I only need a key. Just pass the key instead. Helps you kind of optimize in that way to make sure that you're not just passing around a bunch of junk that could be not performant for your programs. One of the most interesting TypeScript features, there's tag template literals, I think, which someone was able to just have a full type safe way of validating like phone numbers or just having ways to run Doom in TypeScript, which are totally unpractical and not something anyone should do. Another feature would be like TypeScript plugins, which allow you to extend the built-in feature set of TypeScript and feed in, say, diagnostics from ESLint through the TypeScript compiler, so that way you're only having the TypeScript compiler tell you, hey, this is wrong, instead of having like an ESLint plugin, then a TypeScript plugin. You can just have it all run through one system. How do I see TypeScript evolving? I'm really, really excited for the rewrite or port into Go that the team's working on. It's kind of hard to see, say what new features should be added. I would really just want them to focus on performance, better editor integration with things that aren't VS Code. Kind of pretty normal stuff I think most people have been asking for a little bit. To start learning TypeScript today, I would just throw in a very simple PS config or JS config. If you have a JavaScript app that you're already up and running and you're thinking about adopting it, by just adding that file, you don't even need to add anything to it. You could tell your editors, hey, treat this as if it's going to go through the TypeScript compiler, and you'll be like amazed at how many warning signs that you see. Important is that those warning signs are just warnings, not actual errors. So you could at least have a nice smooth adoption if you want to use it. If you choose not to, you could just delete the file and no harm, no foul.